In this first lesson, we're going to talk about Taal. Taal is a word commonly used in Indian classical music and dance. It's a form of musical measure which is used to indicate the passage of time. There are many different Taals, but the first and the easiest to understand is the Teentaal. Now, the Teentaal has 16 beats which are called matras. Each of these 16 matras is divided into 4 parts called bhags. Each bhag is called a vibhag and it has 4 matras. The words of this tal or the arrangement of words is called the theka. The theka for Teentaal is dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. The way of reciting this tal with tali, the clapping, and khali, the waving, is called the padhant. Now, Teentaal with the padhant is tha, dhin, dhin, tha, dha, dhin, dhin, tha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha. Footwork in Kathak is called tatkar. You're going to start with the right foot on the flat, and every 4th count is a heel. So, flat, 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 and heel, flat, 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 and heel, flat, 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 and heel, flat, 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 and heel. There's an alternate system of theka in Teentaal for footwork, which is ta, thai, thai, tat, and a, thai, thai, tat. Ta refers to the masculine energy, thai, the feminine energy, and tat is the union. So, ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, a, thai, thai, ta, 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 thai, thai, ta, ta, a, thai, thai,